This must be one of the best chicken recipes I've ever made. So moist and so much good flavor. For those of you who doesn't need a whole turkey, this chicken recipe offers the flavors of the season in less than an hour. You've got the ultimate gravy, the moist chicken, and the sweet potato that literally melts in your mouth. Let's make it together. Start by chopping 3 cloves of garlic, a variety of herbs. I'm using sage, parsley, tarragon, basil, chives and rosemary, and the zest of 1 lemon. Mix them with a touch of olive oil. Add a generous amount of butter, salt, and pepper. Pat dry the chicken well with a kitchen paper towel. Tie nicely and stuff the cavity with half a lemon. Stuff all that buttery goodness underneath the skin. Try not to tear it too much. Slather the rest on top of the chicken. Don't waste any of it. In the pan, you're gonna add 1.5 medium onions, 1 whole head of garlic, and 2 sweet potatoes cut lengthwise. Just season with a little bit of salt and add a touch of butter on top. You're gonna roast this 4-pound chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. Remove, let it sit for 15 minutes before you carve. Meanwhile, you're gonna make a great gravy. I squeezed out the garlic in the pan. I'm gonna add a full heaping tablespoons of flour. Mix them in on top of the stove. This is pure flavor. You're gonna cook the flour for a minute or two. Mix it in with the fat. I smashed the onion for more flavor. Add 3 cups of water. Mix as you go. Adjust the seasoning and strain the whole thing at the end. So proud how this chicken came out. The gravy is so flavorful. Chicken is so moist. Give it a try. Recipe in the caption below.